Hi, today I'm going to do a twist on Brussels sprouts. I've got 1.1 pounds of Brussels sprouts that I'm going to prepare and steam in the Ninja. I'm going to use 1 cup of filtered water and a steamer. And then I'm going to prep or clean the Brussels sprouts. Take off all the undesirable looking stuff. Get down to leaves that don't look discolored, as those leaves we do not know what they've touched. So that's a fairly big Brussels sprout, so I'm going to cut it in half and place it in the steamer. In the Ninja Foodi, I am going to steam the asparagus, but I don't want them fully cooked, as I'm also going to kick them up a notch. So it comes in at 10 minutes. I'm going to bring it down to 4 minutes. Get the pressure cooker lid. So now we are in 4 minutes of steam and start. The Brussels sprouts are just a little bit firm, which is what I was looking for, because I want to put them into crisp mode to give these a twist of flavor for the meal. Keep the water from the steamed vegetables, because that is an excellent water for making gravy. It adds flavor. In the ceramic pot, I'm now going to place a drizzle of olive oil in the pot, and then I'm going to put my prepared Brussels sprouts in there, and I'm going to toss them to get the oil all over them. So here we go. All right, all the oil's all over these puppies. I wanted to prepare these first because I also want to make our gratin potatoes for my ham dinner tonight. It's actually Christmas, so I want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. So we're having ham, our gratin potatoes, and the twist of Brussels sprouts for our dinner. Add a pinch of kosher salt, some pepper, we have some fresh crushed minced garlic, teaspoon of thyme. Now I want to give this a good stir. Try and get everything equally dispersed. Everybody's laying down there. I'm going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese, mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Oh, it looks like there's going to be more than enough goodies to go with that. Put the lid down, turn the power on, and let's see. I'm going to put this at 375, so we're going to go crisper. Bring it down to 375, and I'm going to start for 5 minutes. So if I hold this button down, it goes down to 0, and then I can come up and start. I want to do a shout out to delish.com, which is where I got the idea for this recipe to do in the new Ninja I have. So let's see how it works. I've done 5 minutes, but I didn't preheat the Ninja Foodi, so I'm going to do another 5 minutes. So technically now it'll be warm enough and heated up enough that it will actually be able to do the browning and melting of the cheese. All right, let's have a look. All right, they're starting to get crispy. I do not want to get them overly crispy at this point because I'm cooking earlier in the day and I want this pot for making my, there you go. They look delicious. Oh my goodness. What a new twist on Brussels sprouts. I bet these are just tasty as all get out. I'm going to let them cool. And time for a taste test. Ooh, that looks good. That gives new meaning to getting me to eat my Brussels sprouts. Oh. I've done them in such a way that they're not mushy. I don't like mushy. The recipe that I was following said to crush the Brussels sprouts, but I didn't do that. I left them intact. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, and if you try it, please comment or join us on Oh My Goodness, Yummy Food at Facebook group. Please keep coming back because I'm going to be making more. Today I'm making our gratin scallop potatoes, which translates to cheese scallop potatoes. Keep coming back and Merry Christmas. Have a great day.